Hello everybody. Today we can see about Snibe Diagnostics Maglumi Total Beta HCG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. Here we can see the product name Maglumi Total Beta HCG CLIA. This kit is used to measure the level of HCG, a hormone produced by the placenta during pregnancy. Here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml diluent, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. And here we can see the reference number 130252003M. This is a lot number and the expiry date. Instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. This kit is maintained 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. This kit we use to till under test. This is C certificate IVD product. This is the front view of this product, and this is the top view. Here we can see the other sides. In this side we can see the product name Maglumi Total Beta HCG, then reference number 130252003M, then lot number, then expiry number. This side we can see the brand name. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics. This is the total representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. The first one is instruction manual. Here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostics, product name Maglumi Total Beta HCG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. This is C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reference number for 100 test kit 130252003M. Here we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, then reagent handling, then storage stability, lot of stuffs in this instruction manual. I am keep this aside. The next one is quality assurance certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostics, and keep this aside. The next one is a Maglumi reagent seal. Here we can see the total beta HCG, and keep this aside. The next one is total beta HCG control labels, total 8, 4 for control 1, then 4 for control 2. Here we can see the total beta HCG control 1, 4 for control 1, then 4 for control 2, and keep this aside. The next one is total beta HCG control 1, then control 1. This is well packed. I am going to unpack this for your reference. Here we can see the controls of total beta HCG. I am taking this one. Here we can see the brand name Maglumi, product name Maglumi Total Beta HCG CLIA control 1. This control 1 contains 1 ml. Here we can see the lot number and the expiry date. We can store the control 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and keep this aside. And here we can see the Maglumi Total Beta HCG control 2. We maintain this product 2 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius. This is a lot number and expiry date. This control 2 contains 1 ml, and keep this aside. The next one, Maglumi Total Beta HCG. Here we can see the contents: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 12.5 ml buffer, 22.5 ml ABI label, 25 ml dilute. Here we can see the product name, Maglumi total β-HCG. This is a lot number. We can store away from direct sunlight. We maintain this kit 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can then 100 test using this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. This is a top view. Here we go for summarize. This is Snibe Maglumi total β-HCG. This kit contains one instruction manual, one QA certificate, one reagent seal, total β-HCG control labels, the control 1 solution, control 2 solution, and Maglumi total β-HCG. Thank you.